Last week, we introduced our new build project. We're taking this '89 Honda Civic and prepping it for the infamous Gambler 500 rally. So far, we've fixed a broken hood and chopped off the rotten muffler. This week, we take care of some necessary repairs and get started on the mods that it's going to need if it's going to survive the road ahead. First things first, these standard worn out road tires have to go. So one of the problems we're running into with this little car is that these tires are bald and a little bit too small for the roads that we're going to be driving on. So we went and picked up some used snow tires for really cheap. What did we pay for them?
$50.
$50. And they're practically brand new. They got pretty aggressive tread. The problem is though that they're studded and it's now springtime, so you're not allowed to run them. So now me and Nick get the awesome job of putting on some music and spending a couple hours pulling out each one of these metal studs with screwdrivers and pliers and things. So we're gonna get to that and you guys get to just flash forward to everything being done. These tires will definitely be a big improvement. We're not quite done with those old tires though. We're going to drill some holes and ratchet strap them right to the roof of the car. Nick managed to score an old Pelican case, so we're going to go ahead and drill some holes and bolt it right to the roof of the car. It's perfect. But now let's go under the hood and take care of that worn out clutch.
Alright, let's see how the
This job took us a few hours, but we're going to go ahead and chop it up into about a minute.
Yeah, it's very long. There's grooves in this like someone hit this with a DA sander. That's ridiculous.
So that's the new clutch installed. But while we have the suspension taken apart, we're going to go ahead and replace the upper control arms because the ball joints and bushings are shot. And both units were only $15 a piece, keeping us well under our $500 goal. With the suspension done up and the clutch engaging, we're going to take it out on a test drive to see how it feels.
Nice. $50 clutch from Rock Auto. Works great. And we just went over a big bump and I hear no clunking, so the upper control arms solved all of our looseness in the front end. Front end feels nice and tight. Awesome.
That's it for this episode. If you want to keep up with the build, make sure to follow us everywhere that's listed below, as well as on TIRESIDE.com.